In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover delete sheet in Smartsheet. If you've ever accidentally deleted a sheet and felt that quick moment of panic, don't worry. Smartsheet gives you a simple way to bring it back, as long as it's still in your deleted items. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll want to open Smartsheet and go to the deleted items page. You can do this from your browser by signing into your Smartsheet account and then navigating to the section where your deleted content is stored. Think of this area as a recycle bin for your sheets, reports, and other items. If you've deleted something recently, this is where it will usually appear. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use Smartsheet with multiple workspaces or organizations. Once you're on the deleted items page, look through the list and find the sheet you want to recover. The items here are typically organized by name tadalang, owner, or the date they were deleted, depending on how your view is set up. If you have a lot of deleted items, take your time to scroll or use the search bar, if available, to quickly locate the exact sheet you need. Confirm that you're selecting the right one by checking its name and any other details shown in the list. After locating your deleted sheet, click directly on that sheet to select it. When you click it, you're essentially telling Smartsheet, this is the item I want to work with. Make sure only the sheet you want is selected to avoid restoring the wrong item, especially if several sheets have similar names. With the sheet selected, look for an option or button labeled Actions. Click on Actions to open a menu of things you can do with that deleted item. This is where Smartsheet groups various management tools, including the option to restore or undelete the sheet. From the Actions menu, click on Undelete. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will restore the sheet from deleted items back into your main Smartsheet environment. After it's undeleted, you should see it again in the appropriate workspace or folder, just like any other active sheet. It's a good idea to open the sheet right away to confirm everything looks correct and rename or organize it if needed, and that's all there is to it. By going to deleted items, selecting your sheet, opening Actions, and choosing Undelete, you can quickly recover a deleted sheet in Smartsheet and get back to work without losing your program.